you up at night. I'm tossing and turning, thinking that my life's gone to waste, just filling up empty space. And if there's a God, I don't know where he's been. We used to talk, but haven't spoken since early May. Guess he ain't in LA, but you're here now, and that makes it better somehow. I'm terrified of the day that I die. I'll lie there all alone, no flowers on my bones. All the things that I've been afraid to lose. My greatest fear of all is losing you. When I lose my voice singing all your songs, I get paranoid about the way that you've been holding on, like you're halfway gone. I'm scared to take another picture of you, 'cause I'm scared to have another thing that I can lose. Oh dear, who am I without you here? But you're here now, and that makes it better somehow. I'm terrified of the day that I die. I'll lie there all alone, no flowers on my bones. Of all the things that I've been afraid to lose, my greatest fear of all is losing you. Is losing you. My greatest fear of all is losing you. All the things that I've been afraid to lose, my greatest fear of all is losing you. Is losing you. I'm losing you. I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Don't know how the broken pieces fit together if you leave it. So don't go, don't go. I would take your hand if I could reach it, pull you back, but you're already gone. You're gone, gone, gone. Lovely bones, won't you take me home? 'Cause I'm lonely. And hold me close, you're my only ghost. Come on, hold me, 'cause I'm lonely. And I've been gone too many days, and it starts to feel the same every morning. And I don't recognize this place. Is it me, or have I changed? They ignore me, and that makes me lonely. And when I hear my name, I wish that it was you who's calling out. There she goes, like I've never been alone, like I've had it all along. And every time I And all this time I never knew if you were leaving me or I was leaving you. Now I'm caught between the black and blue, and you've tied me up, or I'm forced to choose. Oh, I'm lost. I don't know where I've gone. Won't you hold me while this storm is in my head? I'm alone and I can barely catch my breath. Hello, love, don't you fade away. Just a little less to go and a little more to stay. I could try to blame you, but my mind ain't safe. Like two fireworks tied to a rollerblade. I'm still lost, but I'm still holding on. Won't you hold me while the storm is in my head? Oh, I'm alone and I can barely catch my breath. But don't you go away, don't let it die in vain. I'd give anything to feel it all again. Oh, you fill me up till you're empty. I took too much and you let me. We've been down all these roads before, and what we found don't live there anymore. It's dark, it's cold. If my hand is not the one you're meant to hold, maybe you'd be happier with someone else. Maybe loving is the reason you can't love yourself. Before I turn your heart into a ghost town, show me everything we built so I can tear it all down. Down, 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 down. You know I'll stay, don't you tempt me. But all this weight is getting heavy. Been holding up what wasn't meant to stand. I turned this love into a wasteland. It's dark, it's cold. If my hand is not the one you're meant to hold, maybe you'd be happier with someone else. Maybe loving is the reason you can't love yourself. Before I turn your heart into a ghost town, show me everything we built so I can tear it all down. Down, 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 down. Tear it all down. Down, I'm left here alone and afraid to say maybe you would be happier with someone else. Oh, maybe you'd be happier with someone else. Maybe loving is the reason you can love yourself. Before I turn your heart into a ghost town, show me everything we built so I can tear it all down. Down, 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 tear it all down. I'll tear it all down. Oh my love, where have you been? I'm lost at sea, going against the wind. Without you, drifting about the blue. I'm just bones covered in skin. No heartbeat, only this pain I'm in. I hurt you, but darling, you hurt me too. When I'm old and getting tired, I get stoned and I get high to try and remember what you're like. What I do for one more night, take me back and let me cry so you can hold me one more time. I know I'll never find this love of mine. Oh my love, where have I gone? I've spent my days barely just scraping along. Used to be ready for anything, and now I sleep hoping you're in my dreams. When I'm old and getting tired, I get stoned and I get high to try and remember what you're like. What I do for one more night, take me back and let me cry so you can hold me one more time. I know I'll never find this love of mine. Oh, this love of mine. This love of mine. This love of mine. When I'm old and getting tired, I get stoned and I get high to try and remember what you're like. This love of mine. I've been on my own, trying to carry this alone. Only so much weight my back could take. I'm sinking like a stone. And now I see my face in a broken window pane. I could use someone to help me pick up the pieces that remain. When close to the edge, and I need a friend, I need a friend, somebody when the world starts caving in. I need a hand, I need a friend. I'm trying to remember what it's like to be young and alive. I'm so close to the edge, and I need a friend, I need a friend. Oh, where are you now? I've been calling to reach out, 'cause I'm only human going through it. My eyes rain like clouds. Would you take my call when my head's against the wall? And would you sit me down and hear me out? Or would you call me beautiful? I'm so close to the edge, and I need a friend, I need a friend, somebody when the world starts caving in. I need a hand, I need a friend. I'm trying to remember what it's like to be young and alive. I'm so close to the edge, and I need a friend, I need a friend. When everything is blue, all I need is you. I'm so close to the edge, and I need a friend, I need a friend, somebody when the world starts caving in. I need your hand, I need a friend. You felt a subtle breeze, so I ripped away my skin to warm your bones. And you said you don't like secrets, so I told you more than you ever had to know. I thought we had a deal, but now I'm learning that I never had control. What are we doing here? You got me all dressed up just to stop the show. So please, what do you want from me? I've been dancing on a wire, now I'm dying on my feet. Oh please, what more can I be? I can't hold you up much longer, now I'm breaking at the knees. Tell me, what do you want? What do you want from me? I saw your heavy eyes, so I tucked you in and turned down all the lights. But I was faithful, I was true, and I can say the same for you. Oh, it makes me scream. What do you want from me? I've been dancing on a wire, now I'm dying on my feet. Oh please, what more can I be? But